Live Lingua episode 29. Bring it together. How long have you lived in? Let's bring together everything you've learned in Unit 2 so far. Say the following English phrases in Spanish. If you're not able to say one of them, review the previous episodes to brush up on what you missed. The first time through, we'll only say the English version, then have a short pause so you can give the Spanish answer. The second time through, we'll say the English version with the Spanish answer to make sure you got it correct. Let's get started. Empecemos. How long have you been living in Colombia? I have been living in Colombia for 1 year. How long have you been living in Mexico? I have been living in Mexico for 6 months. How long have you been living in Peru? I have been living in Peru for 2 weeks. And now let's do it again with the answers included. How long have you been living in Colombia?
¿Cuánto tiempo ha vivido en Colombia?
I have been living in Colombia for 1 year.
He vivido en Colombia un año.
How long have you been living in Mexico?
¿Cuánto tiempo ha vivido en México?
I have been living in Mexico for 6 months.
He vivido en México 6 meses.
How long have you been living in Peru?
¿Cuánto tiempo ha vivido en Perú?
I have been living in Peru for 2 weeks.
He vivido en Perú 2 semanas.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.